What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Lexus smart key remote fob. This Lexus key fob is sometimes referred to as a credit card key fob or a wallet key fob. As you can see, it's super thin and it's made to be so you can slide it into a wallet and carry it that way. It's going to use replacement battery CR2412. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So changing the battery on this is actually really simple. What we're going to do is just grab a hold of it, and then we're going to slide this piece off right here. So if you just get a grip of it, and then slide off. And sometimes that does take a good amount of pressure. And this kind of pulled the battery out with it, but it doesn't always do that. Sometimes it'll just be sitting in there. In any case, go ahead and slide the old one out. Then we'll grab the new one, and if we're calling this the top, the part with the logo, we want the battery installed with the plus side up in relationship to the logo, plus side up. Slide that in, and then we'll go ahead and slide this piece back on, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.